In this video, I'll be covering the three trigonometric functions of sine, cosine, and tangent. This only applies for right-angled triangles. Let's look at a right-angled triangle. It will have three sides. We can label the angle that we're looking at theta. The longest side is always known as the hypotenuse. The side next to theta is known as adjacent, and the side opposite theta is known as the opposite. There are three functions here: sine, cosine, and tangent. Sine of theta is equal to opposite over hypotenuse. Cosine theta is adjacent over hypotenuse. And lastly, tangent theta is opposite over adjacent. Note that this does not only apply for this right-angled triangle. Let's take a look at this other right-angled triangle. Theta is now in a different location. The longest side is still known as the hypotenuse. The side beside theta is still called adjacent, and the side opposite of theta is still the opposite. Now let's try to use this with a triangle with labeled sides. Let's say this triangle has lengths 3, 4, and 5, and that this is theta. Sine theta will be equal to opposite over hypotenuse, or 3 over 5. Cosine theta is adjacent over hypotenuse, or 4 over 5. And tangent theta is opposite over adjacent, or 3/4. Now, what about inverse functions? The inverse of sine is just inverse sine with sine -1, or arc sine. Inverse of cosine is cosine -1, or arc cosine. And the inverse of tangent is tangent -1, or arc tangent. These inverse functions do the opposite of what the normal functions do. Let's take a look at the example. We have a right-angled triangle here of lengths 3, 4, and 5. Let's label this angle theta. We know that the sine of theta is the opposite over the hypotenuse, which is 3 over 5. So we can find theta with the inverse sine of 3 over 5. This is approximately equal to 36.9 degrees. And that's it for this video. We have covered the sine, cosine, and tangent functions. In future videos, we'll be covering the sine rule and the cosine rule. Thanks for watching.